Hi Eric. So this is related to one of the issues that you have fixed. It's selecting custom fields in the sections. So now you can see I have some custom fields which are deactivated. So this is for customer vendor. So this entire section I had deactivated, and in contacts I deactivated one custom field from the section. If I go here in the existing form. So I earlier I had added these custom fields, all the custom fields, and now if it there is a label inactive, so that is expected. So we have this inactive label for the deactivated custom field. But if I save this and reopen these sections, this label gets disappear. It should retain because fields are still deactivated. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.